Made for this and I play to win. Came a long way from the place we been. Mind on the go while they whispering. I've been putting in work, much discipline. Yeah, pass me now the astronaut. I'm talking trash a lot, I back it up and often. Call shots like a referee. I beat the odds, can't mess with me.
Are you ready?
Get ready.
Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Are you ready?
Get ready.
Are you ready?
Ready, set, go. Won't quit, won't stop. I'ma take it to the top. Hey, won't stop, won't quit. Just me and my clique. Taking no days off. All I know is make hits. I don't know about y'all, yeah, but they don't do it like this.
Are you ready?
Yeah, get ready.
Are you ready? Ready, set, go.
They don't do it like this.
Are you ready?
Yeah, get ready.
Are you ready?
Ready, set, go.
Sabi nila, timing is everything. You messaged me in 2014 and like the chaotic, unpredictable soul I am, I replied in 2017. At pagkatapos ng 7 taon, 8 buwan, at 5 araw, nandito na tayo sa isa sa pinangarap at pinakahihintay nating araw.
Dumating na rin yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. Sa 7 years ng buhay ko na kasama ka, wala akong naging regrets. And to be with you for the rest of my life, hindi ko akalain na darating tayo sa araw na ito.
MMK charot.
Tayo pong lahat ay naririto upang saksihan at samahan po natin ang ating mga kapatid na sina John Lester at Charlene Alaysa sa kanilang pag-isang dibdib.
You always give me everything, even though you're not the richest person in the world. Huwag kang mag-alala, katulad ng palagi kong sinasabi, hindi ko kailangan ng lalaking mayaman. As long as we support each other, walang imposible sa mga pangarap natin. We are opposites. I'm the extrovert who fills every space with words, and you're the introvert who fills every silence with meaning. And still, we fit.
Carried through the night, whispers in the dark, pull me to the light, the stars in the sky.
For you, Eden.
What I've been searching
For you. Unboxing.
of me. Beyond my wildest dreams, open eyes, open heart, another light, another start, right in front of.
Gagawin ko lahat para maging masaya ka at ang pamilya natin. I know I'm not perfect, but promise I will be the man that will guard your heart and will protect your family.
7 years. Hindi ko akalain na, hindi ko ma-imagine na darating tayo sa araw na ganito kasi sobrang strict ni Papa ko tsaka ni Mama ko. Thank you sa pagtsatsaga. Thank you. Naghintay ka sa akin. Hindi ka naghanap ng iba. Thank you.
Pasensya na. Tears of joy lang ito.
Basta andito lang ano. Yun lang.
Huwag kagiyak.
Hearts born again, our song on the wind, a world we never known. It's right in front of me, beyond my wildest dreams. Open eyes, open heart, another light, another star, right in front of me. It's right in
I promise in front of God and everyone na mamahalin kita sa lahat ng panahon, sa malapit at sa malayo.
Thank you for every single waiting you endure to wait for me. Thank you for honoring our season of waiting. Salamat sa walang sawang pag-unawa, pagmamahal, pagkikinig at pag-intindi. I love you and sobrang proud ako na gamitin mo ang last name ko, Mrs. Taadinovski.